Hi friends, welcome to the section on how to mastering dominant thoughts. How do you master your dominant thoughts? Should you worry about the negative thoughts that may pop up every now and then? Of course not. Till now we have learned that the dominant thoughts were more likely to happen. So you should not be worried about the negative thoughts that may pop up every now and then. No need. But remember, you are the in charge of yourself and your thoughts. You are the in charge of yourself and your thoughts. You are more powerful than all your thoughts combined, and yet your thoughts have the ability to inscribe, to give a new reality for you. As we have discussed before, the law of attraction does not work instantly. My dear folks, make it very clear, it doesn't work instantly. It's not a magic which will happen instantly. There is often a delay between the manifestation of one's desires and wants. There is often a delay between the manifestation of one's desires and wants. This is a good thing because if everything we focus on manifest instantly, it would be a very difficult time or life indeed. The delay allows us to rethink on our desires and needs. It allows us to reassess what we really want in life so we can make corrections if needed. Also, the time between the manifestation of your desires allows us to set the law of attraction into motion through intention and determination. We are responsible for manifesting what we want in our lives. If you are currently manifesting bad things in your life because all you think about are negative thoughts, you now have the chance to alter the trajectory of your life by changing your stream of thoughts. My dear Forbes, please take this chance and use this chance to alter the trajectory of your life by changing your stream of thoughts. Remember, affirmative thinking gives birth to more affirmative thoughts, while negative thinking gives birth to negative thoughts. Thoughts increase exponentially through time, and if you focus hard enough, whatever you are thinking of will be attracted by the virtue of the law of attraction. So, my dear Forbes, please use affirmative thinking that gives birth to more affirmative thoughts. Affirmative thoughts attract or give birth to more affirmative thoughts. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.